Hello, I'm Les Picker, and for more than a decade, I've been teaching photographers of every level, from beginners to advanced, how to create stunning digital fine art prints. Over the past year, I have written a comprehensive, practical guide to digital printing. It's 163 pages, and it's fully illustrated from beginning to end. That book is available thanks to the support of our sponsors, Moab Fine Art Papers and X-Rite Calibration Solutions, available to you free of charge. So if you're interested in that and expanding your skills, head down to the link below to get more information and to download the book as a PDF. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to having you here next video.